So next on our list is a DNS that block all these pornographic sites, videos, or anything pornographic. So this is usually important, especially if you have a son or daughter and you don't want them going and be searching all these things on the website. So you can use this DNS on their phone, and they will not be able to search those content. They will not be able to see those content even if they try searching it. So what do I mean? For example, so let me try searching for any pornographic pictures, and then you understand. So let's say that I'm looking for a pornographic pictures on my video. Yeah, let me say what should I use on what? Alright, let's look here. Okay, you can see I'm seeing the videos here. So but after everything, after setting up the DNS, this thing will no longer show. So let's try it. So the DNS we use in doing that is called adult filtering DNS. So to set it, go to your phone setting, then search for DNS. Alright, search for DNS. I guess that did not work. Okay, but some phones it is going to show you some results, but in my phone it's not showing any result. So if it's not giving any result, go to any hotspot connection or any connections at all. If you click on the connections, as I said before, it's usually located in the connection area. Go to private DNS. So once you are in the private DNS, click the private DNS. Then you can type the DNS. So adult filter DNS browsing.org. Adult filter DNS.browsing.org. So save. So you wait for it to connect. So it's still connecting. Yeah, so it's successfully connected to the DNS server. So now let's go back and search for pornographic website again. So now you can see that I can no longer see such things again anymore. Now you can see these settings saying that this safe search is logged by filter. It's logged to filter it by your network or devices. So this is very important, especially if you have a child, or even if you want to block yourself from those porn websites if you are much addicted. So the next one we are going to be going is the family DNS. So family DNS, so the family friendly and content filtering. So this DNS, so they block adult content, and just like the pornographic DNS. So all of them are doing visually the same work. So we have examples. Some of them we have a familyshare.opendns.com, and then we have a family filter DNS.cleanbrowser.org, which was what we just tested. So the next on our list is the customizable DNS. So this is the one that you may be very interested in. So this will be very mind-blowing. So what is the work of this customizable filtering DNS? So this one, they give you the ability to customize your DNS to block whatever you want to block and give access to whatever you want to give access. So this is also good if you have a regular one that is using this DNS. Is using a mobile phone, you want to monitor the person's activities on the phone. So you can just input the person DNS, and the good part is that you can even check if the person is using it or not. So one of them, we have a lot of them. So why many of them are paid? There are some of them that are free version. So for example, the resolver1.dns.watch and I think that one is the paid version also. Yeah, that resolver dns.watch is paid version. Sorry, resolver dns.watch is paid version. Then we have the doh.opendns.com. The doh.opendns.com. Now this is the free. This one has a free version, so you can easily use this one to customize whatever type is customized. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use the customizable DNS and how to customize it, how to set everything. Alright, good day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.